Hi, my name is Jessica Medina, and this is our first journal entry. In going over our learning objectives for this course and the NYEC and the California Early Childhood Education competencies, I found that they really related to my current position as an early childhood educator. I found that the NYEC related to our preschool program in my current position because as an educator, it is our responsibility to promote child development and learning, to build relationships with the child and their families, and those are standards that are valued within the NYEC. I also found that the California Early Childhood Education competency related to my current position as an early childhood educator. It is important that we promote child development and learning, observations, community engagement, relationships with the child and their families, and promote cultural diversity within the classroom. So I saw that those were things that as an educator I am having to do in my current role. I also found that our course learning objectives, especially number 4, developing plans for dual language learners. As a teacher, I am having to implement activities for children, so I saw that these are just things that as an educator we are having to make sure we are keeping in mind that we are doing and supporting our children, especially children with different languages and different cultural backgrounds, different diversities. So yeah. And in reviewing our assignments, I am looking forward to doing the CLRP assignment. I'm a little nervous going into this week's interviewing the family of the child that I chose for this specific assignment, but I'm also excited to get to know the families better and gain a better insight of their cultural values, with the hopes that it'll help build my relationship with the family and with the child. And I'm looking forward to seeing how I can use that to help the child, to help her as she transitions into an English-based preschool program. Overall, I'm looking forward to gaining strategies and learning how to support children with different languages and different cultural backgrounds. I am looking forward to learning what I can do as their teacher to support them and ease them into as they are learning English. And I have experience working with children with different cultural backgrounds. I also took a early childhood course that focused on diversity in my undergrad program. So within our readings and looking over our assignments, I see a lot of similarity things that I learned back in that course, but I'm noticing that this course goes a lot more in depth, and our assignments allow us to actually implement what we're learning from the readings with the children, whereas in my previous experience it was just more readings and writing my thoughts, reflections, writing papers, things like that. So I think that my previous knowledge will help me in our assignments now and being able to implement what I previously learned with the more in-depth information that I am gaining from this course, and being able to practice it on children and their families. And I'm just excited to see how it goes and excited to learn better ways to work with children with different cultural backgrounds and better ways and strategies to help the children as they transition into an English-based preschool. So yeah, thank you.